Alright, let's talk stocks. Now, before your eyes glaze over and you start thinking about what's for dinner, this can be pretty interesting. Imagine you're at a poker game, red chips, white chips, and blue chips. Those blue chips are the big boys, worth the most. In investing, it's the same idea. A blue chip stock is a share in a massive, well-known, financially solid company. Not fly-by-night startups, but titans, the household names you use daily. They've weathered economic storms, market crashes, and chaos, and stood tall. Buying blue chip isn't just a piece of a company, it's a piece of a legacy. It's a brick in an enduring fortress, the market's closest thing to a security blanket. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your top stock picks. So what's the secret recipe? What does it take to earn that blue chip title? First, size, market capitalization, the total value of all a company's shares. Blue chips sit in the billions, or even trillions of dollars, economic powerhouses through and through. Next, a long, steady history of growth and resilience. They're core members of major indexes, like being on the market's best-of album, and many pay dividends, regular profit sharing to shareholders, a strong signal of financial health and confidence. Alright, let's get to the juicy part. This year, several blue chip stocks have truly made waves, each for their own impressive reasons. As of September 25, 2025, these are the heavy hitters leading the pack. But remember, past performance is no guarantee of future results. Oracle, up 28% year-to-date. Oracle is a global powerhouse in database software and cloud computing, serving businesses of all sizes with mission-critical technology. Renowned for its innovation in enterprise solutions, Oracle has helped shape the digital backbone of countless organizations worldwide. Its consistent growth, robust product suite, and ability to adapt to evolving tech trends make it a standout blue chip, trusted by Fortune 500 companies and governments alike. Goldman Sachs, up 22%. As a titan in investment banking and financial services, Goldman Sachs is synonymous with Wall Street expertise and global influence. The firm advises governments, corporations, and individuals on complex financial matters and is known for its role in major mergers, IPOs, and market innovations. Its resilience through economic cycles and leadership in global finance cement its blue chip status. Morgan Stanley, up 24%. Morgan Stanley is a leader in wealth management, investment banking, and global financial solutions. The company is celebrated for its strategic advice, innovative investment products, and a client base that spans the globe. Its ability to navigate market volatility and deliver value to both institutional and individual investors makes it a cornerstone of the financial sector. Wells Fargo, up 21%. Wells Fargo is a major force in banking, mortgages, and financial services, with a history stretching back over a century. Known for its vast branch network and commitment to customer service, Wells Fargo has weathered economic storms and adapted to changing times. Its scale, stability, and trusted brand make it a classic blue-chip stock in the American financial landscape. J.P. Morgan Chase, up 25%. As the largest bank in the United States, J.P. Morgan Chase commands a powerful presence on Wall Street and beyond. The company excels in investment banking, asset management, and consumer banking, consistently ranking among the world's most valuable financial institutions. Its leadership, innovation, and global reach make it a benchmark for blue-chip excellence. GE Aerospace, up 31% after its spin-off. GE Aerospace is a world leader in aircraft engines and aerospace technology, powering commercial and military aviation across the globe. With a legacy of engineering excellence and a focus on innovation, GE Aerospace continues to push the boundaries of flight. Its strong market position and technological prowess make it a standout in the industrial sector. Alphabet, up 29%, driven by advertising and cloud services. As the parent company of Google, Alphabet dominates digital technology and internet services worldwide. From search and online advertising to cloud computing and artificial intelligence, Alphabet shapes how the world connects and communicates. Its relentless innovation, global reach, and financial strength make it a defining blue chip of the modern era. These giants posting strong gains is proof that quality, leadership, and resilience still matter in the market. Their achievements this year highlight why blue chip stocks remain a foundation for investors seeking both growth and stability. So what's the big deal? One word: stability. In rough markets, blue chips are cruise liners. Smaller speculative stocks are like jet skis. Thrilling but prone to flipping. Their size and position dampen wild swings. They've navigated downturns with proven models and loyal customers. Durable competitive advantages make them hard to disrupt. For long-term goals, that dependability helps you sleep at night. Plus dividends, a steady income stream, or fuel for reinvesting. Growth and income, a strong 1-2 punch. Even with blue chips, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. One company can stumble from disruption or lawsuits. Spread investments across assets and sectors. Own a mix: tech, banks, healthcare, energy, so one sector's dip is balanced by another's rise. Like fruit salad, if bananas go mushy, the mix still tastes great when you have variety. Diversification reduces single company shocks and builds resilience. Picking 15 to 20 stocks can feel like assembling a car engine from a picture. Good news: blue chip funds do the heavy lifting for you. Pros select and maintain a portfolio of top companies. Your money joins thousands of investors to buy dozens, even hundreds of blue chips in one go. Some funds are active. Index funds simply track benchmarks like the S&P 500, often with lower fees. Start small, add over time, stress-free diversification. It's like having a seasoned manager build your team for a very small fee. So there you have it, the lowdown on blue chip stocks. They're big, reliable, established. The market's foundation: massive size, steady growth, index membership, and often dividends. In 2025, names like Oracle, Goldman, and Alphabet delivered. But never bet it all on one or two companies. Diversification is your best friend. Blue chip funds offer instant, simple diversification without the headache. Always do your own research and align with your goals. Start learning and build your legacy, one blue chip at a time. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe for more, and comment your favorite blue chip stock below. Check out these recommended videos that are popping up on your screen. I bet you'll learn and become a millionaire if you follow them.